Welcome back, sir. Yep. We accidentally missed truck number 2, so it went by so fast that I didn't manage to catch it. So this is truck number 3 coming around. And man, he got the gas on. They got a helicopter following. Is there another one coming?
No.
They must be spaced out.
That first one, the very first one, I think that guy's in first place. He was on it, dude.
Yeah, he was on it the whole time. This guy slowed down a little bit.
Yeah.
This is the third guy that went through. Sure is pretty out here, overcast. How cold do you think it is out here right now, brother?
About 50 degrees.
About 50?
You should have saw yesterday one of the trucks. He drove by and the door was falling off.
The door was falling off?
And the passenger was holding the door.
The passenger was holding the door.
It was pretty cool. The door was falling off.
That's wicked. It looks like there's one coming way out in the distance out there. You see it? Let's see if I can zoom in on it.
Look at the clouds.
Oh yeah, dude. Dude, I'm so happy the wind is blowing that direction. Okay, folks, we'll keep you posted as they keep coming in. So these videos are going to keep uploading as trucks keep coming by. So they're going to be short burst videos so you can check out your favorite truck. Peace out for now.